Okay, to write an equation here, there's a couple of things. First off, you have to have, these are points. And to write an equation, you have to have a slope and a point. Well, I have lots of points, all sorts of points here, but I need to find the slope. Well, to me the best thing is I like doing my little y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Those do the inspire. Hit your control divide sign and the little boxes pop up. And you're going to type in what I'm going to put up here. I mean, I would probably just start with, doesn't really matter. I'm going to start with this one right here. So I'm putting a dot there. I would start with 1060 minus 1200 over 3 minus 1 because this was my x2, my y2, my x1, my y1. And when I do this particular math, I'm going to get negative 140 divided by 2, which means negative 70. So basically I'm traveling 70 miles per hour. Must be on the interstate or toll road 130 here if you're in Texas. So negative 170 is my slope. My m is negative 70, right? Negative 70. And then I like to use this particular form here, y equals mx plus b, to find what the actual b value is, or y-intercept. And I'm going to go up here and I'm going to use now this first point right here because the numbers are a little easier, I think. So I'm going to replace the x, that's x, and that's y. M is negative 70, so this y is right there. That 1200 equals the m is that negative 70 right there, times x, which is 1, plus b. So this is what I'm going to do is, that's negative 70 times 1 is a negative 70. So 1200 equals negative 70 plus b. To get rid of that, I'm going to add 70 to each side. That's 1270 would be the b, the y-intercept. So this equation, for an equation, would be y equals negative 70x plus 1270. You might see it written like this here. Sometimes I like to flip that order. Sometimes you might even see what? F of x. Right? You could do that. Also, another way to do this, I'll kind of show real briefly. It's not going to have the answer to it. Is you can go to your Inspire calculator. Your Inspire calculator, and hit New, number 4 spreadsheet. You have to go here. That comes up, put the x up there and a y there, those x and y. Now these are not the numbers for this problem here. I didn't want to do that. So I'm going to get that. And then you just hit, you go to stats. I had to go back here a second. You would hit menu. See the menu button pops up right here. And then go to stats, option 4. Stat calculations, option 1, has it written right at the top. And then you would do option 3 and hit enter, and it would give you your slope and your y-intercept. I'm not going to go to this particular, we'll show this here. This is not the answer to this one. Oh, you see that right there? You have to change that to an x and that to a y. And then you hit the enter, and it will give you your answer. Now, this was not the answer to this problem, but you can see where the m is, would be your slope and your y-intercept, but this was a different problem.